Hi, it's June 20th. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Came out and looked at one of the plants that had died completely back, and look what I found underneath. So you know what time it is? It's time to harvest. See what we're gonna get. Part of the reason I didn't put the potatoes all the way up to the fence, so I have some place to put my foot. Yeah, we're gonna say that's the reason. Now that's how you pick potatoes. Oh, look at that. Potatoes in the deep mulch. Just lay them down, cover them up, pull them up at the end of the season. Just pull the leaves, just pull your mulch back, get the remainders. Wow. I think. Oh, that's going to be a purple one. We've got sort of a mix of potatoes in here. Let's see. That would be part of you. Oh. Now, if you remember the little tiny purple potatoes we planted, oh my goodness. But that's how easy it is. You just grab the plant, pull it out of the ground. Look at, and these are clean. And look, sweet potato. You gotta move the mulch back. Wow. So that little bitty seed potato with the big runners on it, with the big eyes, the little bitty seed potatoes with the big eyes on it, came through pretty well. Now, if you remember, we planted sweet potatoes here last year, and I've got a sweet potato. We're going to go ahead and cover that up, let this grow. But we got a sweet potato from last year. I'm going to go ahead and cover this back up. We're going to let it grow and see what we get. Gotta love the volunteer plants. So just kind of pay attention to your garden and what you've got going on. All right, like I say, as these die all the way back, they're ready to harvest. And these just died back. Look at that. Now that's how you harvest potatoes. Nice little pull. You got all your potatoes right there. Gotta love purple potatoes. That is so cool. Remember, these seed potatoes were little tiny, little bitty seed potatoes. There's our helpers. You gotta love the worms. Thank you, guys. Those potatoes I had in the closet were a mixed bag, it looks like. Get a few of these vines out of the way. Look how clean those come out. They just fall right off. How beautiful that is. And these things taste amazing. Well, I'm going to tell you something. My dad would have enjoyed pulling potatoes more than about anything on Father's Day. So for all the fathers that like to get out there and garden, this one's for you. Now we've done just a little bit of looking, and I think we're going to let most of the rest of these potatoes go for a couple more days. We got 1 or 2 more here. We're going to see what we have underneath. And then I think that's going to be good for today. So let's see what we got here. Pontiacs seem like they're a little more mature than the Kennebecs. And that purple did okay. I'm thinking this one might be a Pontiac too. That's what you want to see. One's ready to come up. Look at that. We're okay there. I think we got one more right here that we want to try, and that'll be it for tonight. Got a little something. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think this one was ready. Well, I'm telling you, for potatoes that just came out of the closet that I forgot about, I think we did pretty well. And I'm going to get to eat purple mashed potatoes this year. I want to thank you for stopping by the garden this afternoon and helping me, and the memory of my dad, dig potatoes on Father's Day. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.